In this video, we show how to replace an OCP card in Riser 3 on a PowerEdge R770. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the OCP in Riser 3, pull back on the clip on the door and pull the door off. Then lift the blue latch and slide the OCP out of the rear of the system. To install the OCP, align it with the riser, slide it all the way in, and then press the blue latch to secure it. Then align the door with the tabs and then press down to close it. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R770, visit dell.com/support.